Let's see how much memory I got left. It's a 93 Firebird. Showed that on the last model car video. Showed a quick glimpse of the Cutlass. Just trying to work on some lighting in here. Yeah. 64 Cutlass. I ordered those wheels for something else, and I think they found a new home. Got a little bit of a squat on it. It should look sharp. 24s. There it is. Got some extra odd and end pieces. May or may not go on this 63 Impala here. So I did a little mock-up of it. And painted the front and rear bumper and grill gold. A little experimentation there. I'm not 100% happy with it. Let's see if we can see my imperfection. It's on the bottom of that bumper. It's where it was attached to the tree. Anyways, it's not wanting to focus. Seems like I may have to sand these bumpers down, do a chrome paint, and then the gold paint. I'm gonna figure it out and get a good technique for it. The rear one turned out pretty good. I actually liked them just a few coats in better than they look now. I was trying to match these wheels up. They're a real dark gold. And that's probably not what I'm going to use. I just bent a rod to put those wheels on there. But I will do a hydraulic look on this car. I got a couple solenoids, may even do the hydraulics, I don't know yet. So yeah, I was going for that orangier looking gold on the wheels. I think my best bet is to start with all chrome bumpers, wheels, whole 9 yards, and paint it all to match. It's a little harder to match up something else. There, you can see the difference there. But that's the all real gold spray paint. I think you can get it in quartz too and airbrush it, spray gun, whatever. The 85 Camaro. Picked up some Razor Dub wheels, 3D printed wheels from eBay. Used the Alkalide 2 chrome spray. It's decent. Looks more like brushed aluminum, especially since you can see the 3D printed pattern in the plastic. I was originally going to use these on the 71 Cutlass, but I'm going to have a lot of chrome on that car, and they don't look too great with the chrome. Maybe alright. I think they'll go better on the 85 Camaro, since that car doesn't have any chrome on it. We have to match. Yeah, it should look pretty sharp. He's got some 20, these are supposed to be 26 inch, but he's got some 26 inch IROC wheels. I may end up purchasing those. I don't know yet. I got some of this painted and mocked up. A little flat black work. A little silver on the exhaust. A very light dry brushing, which I may do some more. Kind of give it a weathered look. Always picks up better in person. Still gotta paint the detail in the motor, do distributor wires. Oh man, yeah, I need some more light on this side. I'll figure out this lighting before next video. I'll put this phone on the tripod or something. Just trying to catch something before I get too far ahead of myself. Miss it. That one may get the bumpers removed and sprayed with the gold. I can figure that out soon. There's another thing for me to think about. The gold foil for the trim is a lighter, looks like a 10 karat gold compared to 24 karat. Something like that. Be nice to get all that matching on a vehicle. 64 Impala's all chrome. Still got the side mirrors to install on this one. Yep. Oh, it's hot up here. I'm done. Thanks for watching and dealing with this out of focus camera. Alright, I'll slow down, fix the lighting, get some more stuff done, and I'll be back. Peace. Check out that gold again. Yeah.